How to cancel a Zara order step by step, whether you just placed it or made a mistake at checkout. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app and log in into the account you used to place the order. From here, go to your profile icon, select Purchase or My Order option, find the order you want to cancel. You can only cancel orders that are still in processing status. If it already says preparing, shipped or delivered, you won't be able to cancel it, but you can still return it once it arrives. Tap the order you want to cancel and you will be able to see a cancel order button. Tap on it and confirm. And that's it. Zara will send you a confirmation email and automatically process a refund within a few days. And that's how you cancel a Zara order, fast and hassle-free. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.